Okay. And with all this power, especially with AI and ML making decisions, trust becomes a big issue, right?
A massive issue. And that brings us to two other critical trends: explainable AI, XAI, and responsible AI.
Explainable AI, XAI, what's the goal there?
The goal is to make the decisions and predictions made by complex machine learning models, especially black box models like deep neural networks, understandable to humans. Why did the model approve this loan but deny that one? Why did it make this specific medical diagnosis suggestion?
Right, because if you don't know why, it's hard to trust it or fix it if it's wrong.
Precisely. XAI techniques aim to provide interpretable explanations for model outputs. This helps data scientists improve their models, helps organizations meet regulatory requirements, especially in areas like finance and healthcare, and crucially helps build trust with users and stakeholders. It allows you to trace errors, identify potential biases.
Which leads nicely into responsible AI. That sounds broader.
It is broader. Responsible AI is more of a governance framework or methodology for developing, deploying, and managing AI systems in a way that aligns with ethical principles and societal values. It encompasses fairness, accountability, transparency, privacy, security, reliability. Basically, ensuring AI systems behave ethically and benefit humanity.
So XAI is part of responsible AI.
You could see XAI as a key technical enabler for achieving aspects of responsible AI, particularly transparency and accountability. There's growing concern that AI adoption is outpacing the implementation of proper governance structures. Responsible AI aims to close that gap, making ethical considerations mandatory, not optional.
Are these just nice to haves or are they becoming essential?
Increasingly essential. Regulatory pressure is growing globally. And beyond compliance, ensuring fairness and mitigating bias through XAI and responsible AI practices can actually be a catalyst for innovation, leading to better, more robust, and more widely accepted AI systems.
Okay.
Another area gaining traction is augmented analytics.
Augmented.
This uses AI and ML to automate many of the manual tasks involved in data preparation and analysis. The idea is to make it easier for people who aren't expert data scientists, like business analysts or managers, to explore data and extract insights themselves, often using natural language queries. It aims to democratize data analysis.
Interesting. Making data insights more accessible across an organization.
Exactly. So lots of interconnected trends pushing the field forward.
Okay, let's try to wrap this deep dive up. Feels like we've covered a lot of ground.
We certainly have. It's a rich topic.
So just to summarize the key takeaways, data science, it's this incredibly powerful, dynamic field. It's not just one discipline, but this blend of stats, computer science, domain knowledge.
Right. That interdisciplinary nature is fundamental.
It's got a fascinating history growing out of those roots to tackle the challenge of big data. And its impact is just transformative across healthcare, finance, retail, government, even social good initiatives.
Absolutely. And it's not standing still. It's constantly evolving, driven heavily by these rapid advancements in AI and machine learning, new technologies like cloud and edge computing.
And really importantly, this growing awareness and focus on the operational side, MLOs, and the ethical considerations, XAI, responsible AI.
Those aspects are becoming increasingly central to the practice of data science.
So hopefully, for you listening, you now have a pretty solid foundational understanding of what data science is all about. You know the core concepts, you've seen examples of how it's being applied, you've got a sense of the key trends shaping its future, and importantly, some of the challenges and ethical dimensions involved.
Zooming out, I think having this basic literacy in data science is becoming more and more valuable for everyone, really. Regardless of your specific job or field, it's touching so many aspects of our modern world. Understanding the basics is key to navigating it.
Definitely. So here's maybe a final thought for you to chew on. We've talked about the incredible potential of data science to help us understand the world, solve really complex problems, from curing diseases to tackling climate change.
Immense potential.
But we've also touched on the critical need for responsible, ethical implementation, addressing bias, ensuring privacy, maintaining transparency. So the provocative thought is, how do we strike that balance? And maybe what role do you think individuals as citizens, consumers, employees play in ensuring that balance is maintained as these technologies become even more powerful?
That's a great question to ponder. Where does the responsibility lie, and how can we all contribute to ensuring data science develops in a way that truly benefits society? It brings up interesting points about regulation, education, corporate responsibility.
Yeah. And if this deep dive has sparked your curiosity, maybe a specific application or one of the future trends or the ethical side, what aspects would you like us to explore further in a future session? Let us know.
We'd love to hear what areas you find most intriguing or want to understand better.